Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to discuss about how we can create different types of field on table level. So I will tell you that this is my instance. Already I have opened. So this is my instance. So just I will open that which is we have created in earlier sessions. The table name is uh, service now. Okay, let me check directly. I will get through the tables itself. I have created that, right. I have created one of the table. It is there, right? Previous classes. So this one is table data. Just service now something I have created. Oh, service now. Okay. Yes, now I got it. That service no properties. This we have created actually when it was created. So 20th, I mean yesterday only we have created. Okay, I will open this table which is we have created yesterday. So actually I have only created, right, this table. So once I have created this table, then by default six fields will be populated. Okay, so these six fields will be populated. I have explained every field. So this is a system fields. Actually I have explained already in the previous class what about them, like everything I have explained. What is the purpose of this string type, sorry, the field type, why it is the system class name and why it is string and why it is date and time and sys id and integer and everything I have explained in the previous class. And now I'm going to discuss about, actually this is by default the system fields will be created once I have created this table. Okay, so now I'm going to create new fields by manually. Okay, so actually once I will click on the new, then I will create the new fields. So this is the field creation form actually. So where I'm going to create the fields on the service no practice table. Okay, the type. Oh, the type should be, field should be which type you want. So for example, you can take it the string type you need, right? So just you can select the string. So column name. So what is that short description I'm going to give? That short description means just whatever the information, whatever the issues or whatever related to your thing, just you need to update that in the short description. So content of the issue, description and column name. So once we have given the column label, then automatically it will give with u underscore. U underscore means you need to remember one thing, that sys underscore means that is system fields. The system by default it will be generated the out of the box fields, that is. And once any field started with u underscore, that means we have created like custom fields. We can say that we have created once we have created any fields that will be start with u underscore. You need to remember that. Okay, so maximum length I need 400, 4000. Just I will keep like that. And function field, I want these things I will tell you in detail later, because now if I tell you, the concept will be different actually. But just I'm going to create a field, so that's it. Just I want to tell that only. So I have given the type. The field type should be string type. Just once I have given that, and I have given the column name, sorry, label name, and just a second. Sorry guys, actually I got phone call, so sorry for that. And here we have that these options, right? So this option I will explain later. So actually just I will give brief now. Read only means whatever we are going to create in fields, right? This field, short description. If you keep enable it as read only, then we can't edit this field actually in the form. Just we will read only. We will be able to read only, but we can't edit or we can't give any information there. If you just read only, if you want to do that, just you can enable it. If it is form should be filled with this chart description mandatory, then we can enable it. So if it is displayed means Just this one actually, if I tell now, you may not understand, but I will tell you that. So this is the string field, right? So if you keep display, the display means exactly whatever the data will be populated in the form, that will be, displayed actually as a priority. Okay, but in the practical, I will tell you that once we have created this, and this is list choice list specifications. So you can consider that drop down without none or with none. Okay, so you must, if it is without none, then you must provide the default value, because if you don't provide anything, it will be any field with the, whatever the fields are there, right? So that will be with the default only, sorry, none only. If it is without none, you want to make it, then default value should be there, right? So that is the reason. And just I will save now, and default value means if it is in the string in the string field, this is a chart description field, right? This is string field. So you want to give the default information. Once you open any form, then we need to provide the information like a Venkat something, then automatically it will be, uh, form will be open with the new value. Form means whatever you may get confused. Form means service now table form. Okay, okay, now I have given the information, just I will save it. And for these fields, don't worry about anything, because I'm going to explain in the dictionary. We have dictionary concept are there, so I will tell you there only. So I have created one field. Let me check that. Let me open. See, so this is the actually our table, right? So service now table. So come here, and we have created short description. Actually, these six fields will be were created in yesterday class, like system fields it will be. And I did not create anything directly. Once I have created table, then these fields were created. But today I have created manually this short description field. The field type is string. Okay, so let me open that this table. Just then you can see that the field chart, whatever we have created, and system fields how look like there. So so this is the actually field we have created, short description. Okay, this is the actually field we have created, short description with 4,000 length. Okay, here you can understand that have created with 4,000 length. Okay, this is a string field. Directly I don't want, we have option to create any fields through the new, but anyway we have option here also. Just you can create here, give the information description, just to give like that. And this is also, you can keep it as a string. We have multiple data types are there, field types are there, just you need to select it. Okay, data types means whatever the providing data through the string type or integer type, like that we have, right? So we can choose that as per your requirement. As of now, short description and description, it is related to string type, right? So that is the reason I have given a string only, that's it. And even for the short description also, I'm going to give the 4,000. So so just I have created, now I will refresh this, because I have created new field, right? Again, short description field. So same with length 4,000, right? So short description I have created with 4,000 length, and this string actually the description also, this is a string, and this is also 4,000 length. Just let me refresh it, then you will be able to see that new field that will be with description. Just you can refresh it, just a second. What is how it happened? Let me refresh it. Okay, okay, sorry. I did not save it actually, so that is the reason while I'm creating in description field. So actually, once I am done with giving information, but I did not save it, so that is the reason we are not able to see here description field. Once just now I have saved it. Now I will refresh it. You can see now. Then a new field will be populated, right? So this is the description field and this is the share description field. Now I want to tell you that, so here whatever we are able to see in the incident form fields, like that you want to see that. Just I have opened the incident form. So share description, these fields will be different if compared to my form. This form is different, right? And this form is different. I want to make just just I want to make this form as a this incident form. So in this case, we need to create all fields. Then I will tell you that how we can create these fields. Okay. Now just I'm going to this table and just I'm going to give the information here. So which one is number? Number already we have. So here, just a second. Color category number. Okay. So number already populating. So color I need to create it. So directly, in the table itself, we can create second option, right? We have created to the new option here. That is the first option, and second option means that this is the second option. But here I'm going to create on the form itself. That is the third option. Okay, just we can go through the configure and form layout and click on that. And once we have opened that, so here three fields are there, which are we have created. These two we have created. Number field was created by system itself, and now I am going to create a new field that will be color. Okay, so here just we need to give the this color field is not a string field, right? This is a reference field because once we click on that, it is referencing the data table, I mean user table, right? So that is the reason we need to select here the reference. Okay, reference we need to select it, and the color should be reference to which table? User table, right? So just we need to select the user table. So we have user table. Where is that? So you should have that user table. Yes, so we have this is the user table. So once we have selected that, then just we can add it. That's it. Now the color was added to our form. So now again I'm going to create a new one. This is the category. So category I'm going to create it. So category I have created, but the category field type is choice, because here once you click on that, then it is showing the choice, right? So I'm going to create the choice. I mean select it with the choice. So choice, that's it, and I will add it. So once I have added, just I will show you that how a form look like with new fields. Just to save it. Okay. Now you will be able to see that our form. See, I have created color and category, right? So description, share description I have created previously. Now I have created color and category. So form look like this, right? But again, I'm going to create all remaining 6, 7 fields I will create, and after that, I will design form look like this. Okay. Now I'm going to create. Now I have created category, and now I'm going to create a subcategory and the channel and state and impact and urgency, priority, and assignment group assignment. These fields I will create, and after that I will design has look like this one. Okay. Now I'm going to create a new field. So, which one is there? Nothing. 1 second. Yeah. So subcategory. This one actually we can consider that this one is choice. Okay. Just we can add the, yeah, that this one, and state also this one choice, because state means this one also we will be able to see options, right? So this means choice. So field type is choice. Okay, I have selected state, I have created. And one more thing, that the impact and urgency and channel is there, right? I will create that also. So just I have created with channel with choice type, and just I will add it that also. And here impact also choice one only. So and impact urgency also in choice one only. So because why I'm telling like that, so just click on that, it will show you that with options, right? Once wherever options are there, then we can consider that that field should be choice only. Okay. So here impact urgency and priority. Priority also choice only. You have selected, and now I'm going to create assignment group. Assignment group. So this one actually reference because assignment group means once you click on that assignment group, so this will be reference to other table, right? Which are groups already there in table that will be, reflecting to this assignment group field. So we can also consider that this is actually a reference field. So now I'm going to the selecting the reference table, sorry, reference option, and here I'm going to select the sys underscore user underscore group table. So this one actually group table. Okay, I have selected that. That's it. Just I will add it. And again, I'm going to create assign to person. Assign to, just assign to. So this means even we have this option assign to. Assign to means same. This is also reference, right? This data, user data will be there. This means user, you need to reference to the user table. Okay, sys underscore user. So we can see that where is user table, this one only we have selected and add it. That's it. Now I will save the form. Once we save the form, then it will look like that. See, this actually we have created form. Now it is, it is visible like almost more than 10 plus fields, right? But I don't want to show this form look like this. Just I want to show this form look like this one. Now I will, uh, I will do the design for this. Just come here and click on the right click and configure and form layout. So click on that. Once we have click on that, we have option that split, begin split. Begin split means just where exactly start the form. So this description I need to just I want to put it under down. Okay. So just begin the split. After that, split. So split means so it will be taken with two different type of boxes. Okay, so channel and category. Okay, got it. Okay, so now channel will be there and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, got it. Split and end the split. So now both are ended. Now I will save this. Now the form will be definitely will be look like this one only. Okay, you will be able to see that. See, this one actually incident. This one service now practice, which is just now we have made the design. Okay, this is the form, our form. We made the design. So now once we made the design, then the form look like this one. Okay, so it means now we are able to you know just we have created the new form with the designing, right? So now I'm going to create sections. I mean, these are the sections like how you can here we will be able to see these sections. These are the sections. I'm going to create the sections now. So how many in the section like work notes and this one, right? Related records and this one. We have different sections are there related to form. I'm going to create that one. We don't have anything, right? So here I'm going to create new sections. Just come here and configure and form layout. That's it. Once we have opened that, just we can create the new one. Here sections box is there, right? Click on the new. So give that notes. So now we can give that nodes, and we will be able to create a new fields. Just give that work nodes. Okay, work nodes. Sorry, work nodes. So here type is, we have that journal list, journal input. Then just we can check directly here, and we will be able to understand which one this one work nodes. So the work nodes, the show work nodes, the general input. Okay, so we can understand that the type is general input. If you want to check that any field, so just you want to know that field type, then click on that field. I mean, on the field, you can just click on the right click and show field information. You can see that which is the type journal. And as of now, the for the work nodes, we will be able to see that the type is journal input. Okay. Now I'm going to select that only here also. Journal input. I have selected and I will add that. That's it. It was added. And after that, again create a new section. The create section means which one is the related records, right? So related records also I'm going to related records. This is a new section I have created. So here I don't want to create any fields because these actually, just we can directly get that information from the reference tables as well. But here as of now not required, because for the practicing purpose I'm telling that sections only. But directly, just as I told you that reference tables, here we can get the incident table reference. We can take that. This is a reference actually the field. As a reference field, we need to get the information that incident table actually. So this is incident table. Okay, so you can create it by your end directly, not a problem, because already I informed right how we can create the reference table based on the table data. So you will understand that if you want, so I can create, no problem. This is a resolution information. I will create, just I mean I will create and I will let you know that, no problem. And name related records already change. I have informed right these things, related records. So after that, the create a new one again, resolution information. Just I'm going to select okay. That's it. And now I will save the form. Then we can see that how it look like the form. See, this is we have created three, right? So this is actually incident form, which is provided by service now. So now the look like form like this, and we have these sections by default are there in the service in the table, right? So same thing I have created in my own table like service now practice table. So see, this is the form, right? We have created and we have designed the fields how look like. And after that, coming to sections, we have created three sections. Okay. Uh, Here in the section in the related request, we have four options are there, right? For parents incident and problem, change request, and caused by change, right? Now I'm going to create these four fields on the in related records. Okay. Just for that, I click on that configure and coming to form layout. Once we came to form layout, then just click on the sections where you want to create just related records, right? So here's which one that the parents incident, right? Parent incident. So click on that, view that parent incident. That's it. And this is actually reference, right? So reference you can select it, and the parent incident means the that should be reflect for the incident data, right? So just we can type the incident and incident table we can select it. This is a table actually we have selected. just add that. Again, one more field is there, the problem. So problem means, so that is also reference, and that should be reflecting with problem table. So problem, so if problem table, now I have done, just I will add it. And one more thing, change request. So I will add that change request. Same thing, this is also reference, right? So you can just click type with the change. So we will be able to see change request. So this one change request. So yeah, and one more thing, that caused by change. This one also same table, and just caused by change. That's it. Now we can add it. So once I have added everything, so just I will split this one also. We can just add that, begin split and end split also, because it will show you look like right side 2 and left side 2 is there, right? Because of split options, we need to add the split options here, then we can able to see same like this form. Okay, so once we have added that, and end split also we can add it in. So that's it, and now we will be able to see form look like. You can see that, we can, I will show you. Okay, so now we can come here, you can see created cards. So it's form actually instant, right? So how we can able to time, how we will be able to see these four options? Same thing in the our in the service now practice, our table also we will be able to see four options, because of I have designed and I have created as per requirement. This is a requirement, you can consider that I have created, right? So from my end I have created. So I hope you can understand that how we can create the fields with the different type of field types, and how we can design the form level, and how we can configure the means by using the split, and how we can design the form through the what sorry sections and form level and everything. I hope you got it that. So now I'm going to tell you that. So we have system fields are there, right? So who has, so like when I have created instant at the time, you may have that you may have seen that. So I will show you that. This is actually system fields, right? Six fields are there. System fields has been created automatically. I told you, right? That one I'm telling. So in the resolution information, I want to go and I want to add information. So here, where is that updated by updates. So I have added, and created by also I will add it, and description clause and goal, impact, number, priority, description, category, begin split, and nation, active, search. So begin split. Here we can begin split updated. So split, where we can split. So begin end split. So here the end split. Now I will save this form. Once we have saved this form, now you can understand that this is a system fields. We can't update anything. So these four fields will be updated by the system. Once any incident has been updated or created, who has created this form, I mean who has submitted this form and who has closed this form, and everything, it will be tracked by these four fields. I hope you got it. I have created four fields and I have created the four system. I mean, just I have taken the four system fields which are already created while creating the table, and the work notes. Work notes also I have added here. I want to add context or something. So I will show you that how we can add that. So we have that work notes. In the notes I need to add contextual. Contextual is there, activities contextual is there. Just I have added that and save it. Once we have saved it, we will be able to do that. See, okay. Mm, just a second, refresh it. The filter has not applied. Huh? Let me check it. This is our table, right? So almost I have created. So how many tabs are there? How many fields are created? Almost 6 field system will be created, and remaining 19 fields I have created just now. Okay. So the system fields, the annotation, something it is not there. Why it is not coming? So we can check it. Why that work notes did not come with. Okay. Once we have updated something, then maybe it will become with that. Just I. This is actually, you can consider this is a just I will save. Once I have saved it, then now it is coming with the activities and filter option. So attachment and everything, configure available fields. So whatever I made right side with the I mean contextual like that, I have told you, right? So that one has to, this is related thing on. So now we are able to see once we have updated. So just, oh, okay, got it. The system number is not available. Just will update that properly. Displayed one. Okay. Now we will be able to see properly. Okay. Just I will create a new one. New, I mean, so this is the our table, right? We have created 25 fields. 25 fields. Now I am going to create a new record on that. Just dot dot. This is of our form. So it came with a new number. Then just I will update something here. So I will save. Once we save it, then we will be able to see that activities, how many activities are done. Like once we have updated, that will be captured with one update, I mean one activity, and again tomorrow if you update, then we can consider that that is one more activity. Okay, now I'm done with activities. Just I have created fields with different type of data types. So after that I have created sections, and after that I have made a form as a look like better, and I haven't, I mean I have said that what is the different types are there in the in the fields type, like other reference and choice and string. As of now I told like a string and choice and reference, right? But in coming day I will tell you that in detail with the field types, and in detail I'm telling that about dictionary field. We have that, right? Configure dictionary. So everything I'm going to explain in detail. Once I open any specific field, then, I mean, this is a configure dictionary actually. So specific field, we have category, right? The cat once you, if you open the category field, we will be able to see read only, mandatory, display, and everything we are able to see, right? Options. I'm going to explain everything in coming, coming session, because I'm going to tell about field level things. Whatever we have in configured dictionary, I'm going to tell each uh, each features like read only, mandatory, display, and everything, and specifications. I mean, choice specification, default, everything I'm going to explain in the coming session. Thank you, guys.